the red statement boots. Any color of shoe or boot will do, but where I live it's quite cold in the spring, so I actually prefer an ankle boot, and that's an ankle boot. And of course we have sunglasses to add to the look. Statement bag. Outfit number 2. Simple and cute and classy and chic. Red boots, red bag, white shirt. And for anyone who doesn't like to wear heels, you can put on a pair of loafers and a statement bag, which you can make any color, and a pair of sunglasses, and that's you out. You can, and your feet are comfortable. And of course these are straight leg jeans that I'm wearing as well. So there we go. And if it gets cold, do that up. And there we go. Another easy look. And you're ready to go walking around Paris or the mall or wherever you want to go. These white linen trousers, palazzo style, wide leg, cream colored cashmere sweater, pair of outrageous sunglasses, and of course we need and there we have it, another easy outfit. Got the cream moto jacket. Pants, trousers, bag.